Well, I've heard of bag ladies. You're pretty much the first box lady I've ever seen.
This is not it either. I'm coming back for more.
Oh boy. Trashy people. What's happening?
Oh, well, I'm just carrying her up here.
Apparently
so that
I'm really heavy.
Is there a problem, Jen?
Little baby.
She's a little bit heavier than Ruby. Not much, actually.
Poe, leave that hummingbird alone. Poe, Poe, Poe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, Poe.
Outside. Oh, shit.
Open the door. There he goes. You can hear it?
Huh?
You can hear the quail?
Yeah.
You hear the quail over there? That's racist. I'm not sure. I think that might be racist. You are a savage. Go in there and get you some dinner if you want.
Oh, right there.
Hey, be careful now, Jen. Let's get out of his way.
Should I open that door?
There, now he knows how to get out.
Is he out?
No. But he knows the route from the living room to the door. Come on, little feller. Don't you eat that bird, Bo. Don't move too much, okay? I'm gonna help him. There we go. Who's the big guy?
I'm calling you do portrait. There. Now, you don't think you guys have some resemblance?
Turn around.
I guess so.
Hey, turn around. Yeah.
That's what people
Oh, wait. Picture? Everybody wonders about Robert. Bob. How you doing, buddy?
Pirate Bob.
Pirate Bob. Sweet boy. You're so sweet.
Sweet. Just so sweet.
So what we decided he's about 10?
He's about 9. Little butt scratch, Mom.
You got a good life story.
Yeah.
Well, that was surely quick. Oh, that thing is delicious.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's good.
We're always eating like this, aren't we?
Yeah, like barbarians.
People think we don't sit down. We do have a table.
Well, that's good.
Good boy. You're such a good boy. You want to know something cool?
Yes.
You look. Come over here. You match this. Here, stand over here. You match those speakers, the covers. I bought that in Burbank in 1990, and it was in the delivery room when you gave birth to Destin, our first child.
Brought our boom box.
Yeah, in 1991. So
Yeah.
we've had this thing for 30 years.
Wow.
That's
And
amazing.
it's not even ruined yet.
Yeah, well, if we leave it in a rental, it will be.
That's what I'm saying. Orange?
Bear, what did you say, Jen?
He looks like he has scurvy.
Bear, you're fine, right? Stand normal, Bear.
Do you want to have an orange? Oh, little guy.
Stand normally, Bear.
I can't, Dad.
I've got scabby. I'm starting some white ginger over here. See this? By the wood pile. And what I love to do is take these hanging baskets. You know, the ferns, they die. I actually found these at one of my rental properties. Somebody just throws them out in the trash. They're loaded with fertilizer and great soil. Yeah, rotting roots aren't so good, but you don't need those. You can just shake out the soil. I'm putting most of the fertilizer adjacent to the white ginger. I just pulled this out of the ground in a ditch somewhere. But God, I love this plant. You'll get hummingbird moths and beautiful fragrant white flowers. And this, if with any luck, this whole area will just be filled with these tall canes of white ginger.
He smells like he got into the smoker.
Oh, you're so smoky. What are you doing up there? Poe's not allowed on the sofa, and you are?
It smells so good.
Because
What do
you're
you smell
ancient?
like? Did you get smoked today?
He is ancient.
Did you get smoked? Did you get smoked? You're so cute. You're stupid.
Purple Martins think you're kind of a jerk. Hey, Jen, mosey on over to his toy. You gotta put your foot on it. Hey, Poe, look at me.
Look at that.
Little bastard was looking for eggs in that bluebird nest. Now what is he doing?
She's like, what am I gonna do? I can't really
Yeah,
fight this.
so this is a North Carolina woodpecker. And a minute ago we just saw a cockaded woodpecker over on the tree.
Highlighted.
No, yeah, piloted. God forbid we have a cockaded woodpecker. The Environmental Protection Agency would come tear our house down and put up a dead tree. Huh?
See the cardinal?
Oh yeah.
And that bluebird's all puffed up.
Yeah, that a minute ago that woodpecker, this guy was looking in
Her house.
the little bluebird's house. Like, are there any fresh eggs in here? Jen, what's our state bird? There it went. I've got the floor completely in, and I think I went over this, but this is the drain. It's a brass drain. It's the best to get, the brass. It's got the rubber seal in here that goes around the pipe. This is just a brass nut that tightens on. You put your rubber washer and then your Teflon or fiberglass ring to slide this against, right? Everything's locked in. I locked it down with channel locks. Pipe dope on the underside of that. Or sorry, plumber's putty. See that squished out there? All right, time to put her in. Okay, now to seal around this pipe. This is the most basic tool in the universe. Comes with the drain. But if you drop this down in your drain, that's going to be a real pain in the ass, so you don't want to do that. So you feel like that might happen, just block that with something, paper towel or something. All right, see how that just turns like that? Just tightening this ring down around this rubber seal and pushing it against the outside wall of that PVC pipe. So water goes down the pipe, not in between. And I think that's going to be a good seal right there. See what I mean? That would have been gone. Okay, here we are at my boathouse. I'm very, very happy to have this structure to protect my boat, but I'm about to share with you my folly. It's very, very unfortunate, and I'm embarrassed to admit what I have done, but it may help some of you and make you feel better about your screw-ups. Who knows? Yesterday, when pulling my boat out, I got hung up and I didn't even know it. The bimini on my boat, I don't know how it didn't get ruined, but caught on this strut here and pulled this pole out as I too. Gotta be alert when you're doing this kind of stuff. All right. Well, buddy, that is working. Just kind of set that there. Couple more things to put in place. And almost as good as new.